Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the black hat CPA marketing that you can make hundreds and thousands of dollars with this strategy if you use properly and exactly the method that I'm going to share with you. Use and follow step by step, so you will be amazed. At the end of this video, you will learn each and every step, and you can take action on the method. At the backside, you can simply see the result from that. So we are going to combine multiple websites together and then maximize the result from that. So whether you are using the max bounty, you are using the CPA grep, or you're using affiliate offer vault, so you are good to go. And the greatness about this method in this strategy is that you can also promote affiliate marketing or affiliate product as well from the clickbank, digistore 24, Warrior Plus, or any other website. So this method can be work for both affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. The only requirement is that you can take action on the method. Watch the video to the very end and then understand completely and then take action on this method. So I'm going to share with you the free and as well as paid method. Anyone you are interested with that, you can simply use and start promoting your product for absolutely free, and also with paid method. Anyone you are interested with that. So let's begin the strategy, that how exactly it is working and how you can promote your CPA offer or affiliate products for with this brilliant method that I'm going to share with you in today's video. So before starting the method, I would just request you to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, and to all, whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So let's begin that how it's working. And if you want to learn my step-by-step training that how you can make money on a two-pay lot step by step, just hit the first link in the description of this video and start and have a comprehensive training from A to Z that how you can promote your CPA offers or affiliate products step by step right over there. The first link will be in the description of this video. So let's begin. So if you are using from Max Bounty, then you need to sign up and register with Max Bounty and start promote your product. If you are promoting from CPA grep, so you can simply sign up or register and then start promoting. Or if you are using the affiliate, sorry, the offer vault, you can simply choose right here. Offer vault is also one of the best website, and the coolest way and the coolest method about offer vault is that actually that when you select the CPA offers right here and the category section, so here you will find a lot of offers right here and a lot of CPA offers you can simply find. And sometimes you can find out the best product like these right here, like it's available in 249 countries, which is a great way that you can simply promote your CPA offers right here. And another coolest part about this video is right here. This method is right here that you can find multiple offers right here that you can simply promote it right here. If you're using the CPA grep, then also it's a good method. You can also use the CPA grep and you can simply sign it, and you can find out a lot of offers right here on the CPA grep with different countries right here. But in CPA grep, each offer will be individually just dedicated to one country, not to multiple countries. But in offer vault, we can have the products or offers to different one offer to different countries. Right here it will be available something like you can see here that this is the offer which is available for 5 different countries, and this is for 7 countries. If you just click on that, you will have more information and more details about that right here. But if you are using CPA grep, so it's also a great way that you can simply promote your CPA offers. At the same way, if you are doing affiliate marketing, then you need to register with clickbank or digistore 24 or Warrior Plus, and you can simply grab your affiliate link and start promoting. But I will simply show you 2 different ways. The first will be the free method that how you can promote your CPA offers. So the first step is that you simply go to this website right here, classifiedads.com. This will be the free website which is having millions of followers right here on this website. The first step is that you need to sign up for this website, and most of the time the traffic is coming to this website from uh, something like United States, 45% from the United States it is coming. So it is a great website and it is absolutely free that you can simply use for absolutely free. And they have a lot of categories that you can simply choose the main category and also the sub category and start promoting your product. Many people are using and promoting and using the free method right here. So the first step is that to sign up and register with this website. The next step will be that click on the full screen ads for free. Once you click on that, you will have this page that here you can simply choose your service category as your category. For example, any category you are promoting, you can simply choose. So since we are promoting, for example, an offer, so we can simply select a service right here, and here we can simply select the subcategory, which will be marketing service or something like that, but you can choose anyone. And here you can simply choose the title and the price if it is available, but if you are not using the price, then just leave it like blank. And here you can simply choose uh, the the description right here, meaning you can simply write something about the offers that you can simply copy and paste from the main sales page right here from the offer. And here you can simply add your name. It's not necessary that you can add your real name. You can add any name you want. Here you can add your email and retype the email, but the most important thing is that you need to add your registered and active email that they can send you verification and that you can simply approve. And here is the phone number. It is not necessary if you are adding or not. Here is the location. It is important that you can simply choose. And here is the zip code. And here is the expiry. And so it's really important that for how long do you want this ads for free on this website, for a week, for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, month, 3 months, 6 months, or 9 months. So it will be the best idea to select the 9 months because the ads will be free and live for 9 months on this website for absolutely free. Then you can simply add this code right here, what is written and shown here. So you can simply add it right here. That is really simple and basic. Then you just need to scroll down and add the image if you want. And once you choose the image, then you can simply click on the post this ad. So once you click on the post this ad, it will be live on this website and many people from all over the world can see. But the greatness about this is that 45% from the United States traffic is here and people will come and the buyers will come actually and see your ads right here on this website. So this is the free method and free strategy. But if you want to have a paid method and you want to promote your CPA offers or affiliate products, then you have to go to with this topic source, tropicstars.com. Tropicstars.com is one of the greatest website that you can simply promote your offers right here. Nowadays, and Google ads and also Facebook ads are really popular, and also they are expensive and there is much competition also, but most of the time it's not working. But Tropic Star is not having much competition, but it is also very cheap that you can anybody can afford right here. So anybody can start from the $1 or $5. They can simply start and promoting their offers right here. So it is self-serve ad network actually with 4 billion daily ad impressions. So that is not monthly or weekly. It is 4 billion daily ad impressions on this website right here that you can simply see here. And here are a lot of things that you need to understand about this that you can learn from step by step. So you can start it from $1 up to a hundred and thousands of dollars spending on this website for promoting your offers right here. So of course it is the paid topic right here that you can simply promote. So it's a short YouTube video. You can just simply watch for further information and details right here. You can simply learn more about this website right here. So I'm not going to talk about more about this website. You can simply go to tropicstars.com and you can simply see here what is real and what's not and what is working right here. So most of the time it's working on push notification so that you can simply the ads will be pop up on any device or any website right here. So it is the work of this. Most of the time if you see the ads on CNN, BBC, Al Jazeera, and CNN, okay, so if you just go to their website, they have ads or banners on the top or on the side. So they are exactly working the same like that right here. So here you can simply see here, for example, that you can simply register with this website by just clicking this button right here. Once you click on that, then you can simply just get started with this button. So you can get started for absolutely free, and then just test what, how it is working. So this website, the greatness about this website is that you can simply promote your CPA offers and also affiliate products right here on this website. So these are the two best ways that you can simply use the Prey method with classified ads that come with a million plus followers right here, and most of them from uh, Tropic is coming, or the buyers are coming from the United States. And here is the tropicstars.com is another website which is the paid method. So anyone you are interested with that, you can simply start promoting the offers and start making money online on a two-pilot system. If you want to learn my step-by-step training that how you can promote your CPA offers from A to Z and a comprehensive training, then check out the first link in the description of this video, and you can learn all from A to Z that how you can make money online on a two-pilot system step by step right away here. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification and to all. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.